Welcome to the second part of NSX introduction video series. In this part, I will show you how to work with NSX Manager. NSX Manager works on a management plane, and it has a appliance, and there is a console for managing the NSX Manager. You have many options like rebooting and many other options. The summary, you have repos, Postgres, RabbitMQ, and other components that you can see, and health status. Also, it will show you information about the appliance and total resource usage. We can also manage the NSX Manager console. There is many other options like the time setting. You can set the FTP Server and also time zone. Syslog server for collecting the log information, and FIPS and TLS setting. And local information. In the network, you can manage the network setting, include the host name, domain name, IP address, and other related settings. In the SSL, you can see the default self-signed generated certificate by the appliance, and you can change it. And there is backup and restore, and also there is an upgrade option to upgrade the current version of NSX Manager Appliance. Also, you can register the vCenter server in the NSX management service. In the lookup service URL, you should specify the platform service controller PSC server and set the related credential and let it check the information, accept the certificate, and go on. Okay, it's connected and status is good. Next, we should register the vCenter server, set the information and related credential. Accept the certificate again. In my scenario, platform service controller is embedded. Let's back to the home. You can download tech support log to send the related information to the VMware. And backup and restore. Let's set the FTP server setting. Specify the port, username and password, and related directory in the FTP server, and set a prefix for the name of backup and a passphrase for the encryption purpose. Let me check my credential. I think it's invalid. Okay, fix it. Set the schedule setting. For example, set weekly on the Friday in the 10 o'clock. And set the schedule. And you can exclude some file, include audit log, system event, and flu records. And then you can start the backup process. And then it's done. I go into the FTP server. You can see the related NSX backup file. And also there is an option for restoring the backup, and it needs to restart the NSX Appliance. In the next part, I will discuss about the SDN architecture with more detail, and also show you how to manage the NSX inside the vSphere environment.